In this video, we're going to review how to find the volume of composite figures. A composite figure is when you have multiple shapes combined to make a larger shape. So in this figure, the first thing we should do is identify the parts that we have. We have a rectangular prism on the bottom. The length is 8, the width is 7, and the height is 8. Since they're not all the same, it is not a cube. It is a rectangular prism. On top, we have the same base, but it comes to a point. So when you have a three-dimensional figure with a base and triangle faces coming up to a point, that is a pyramid, and I will call that a rectangular pyramid. So to find the volume of the first shape, the rectangular prism, I first write the formula. Volume of prisms is equal to the area of the base times height. Then we identify the base. It's a rectangle. It is 8 by 7. To find the area of a rectangle, we have volume equals length times width times the height of the prism. So the step 1, write the formula we've done. Step 2, plug in. When I go to plug in, the length of the rectangular base is 8 feet. The width of the rectangular base is 7 feet. And the height of the prism is 8 feet. The third step is to solve, and since it's its own multiplication, we can just multiply. Volume is equal to, and do 8 times 7 times 8, and you get 448. And feet times feet times feet is feet cubed. For the pyramid, it's the same 3 steps. You write the formula. Now please remember that pyramids use almost the same formula as prisms, except that because pyramids hold 1/3 the volume, their formula is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Then we do the second step. We're still on the first step. This is a general formula. Since it is a rectangular pyramid, I'll replace the area of the base with the fact that this base is a rectangle and have length times width times the height of the pyramid. Then we'll go to step 2, where we plug in. Volume is equal to 1/3 is 1/3. The length of the pyramid is 8 feet. The width of the pyramid is 7 feet. And the height of the pyramid, we have to look, it is the one standing straight up and down. It is the 6 feet. So we have written the formula, we have plugged into the formula, and then we solve using the order of operations. And again, since this is all multiplication, we can just multiply. The volume is equal, 1/3 times 8 times 7 times 6 is 112. Feet times feet times feet is feet cubed. Lastly, since we have found the volume of each part, we will find a total. To do the total, we take the volume of the rectangular prism, 448 feet cubed, and add it to the volume of the pyramid, 112 feet cubed, and we add them together. You get 560 feet cubed as your final answer. So again, to find the volume of composite figures, you show the work algebraically for finding the volume of each section separately, or each part separately, and then you would add them together. Thank you.